Hey fifth graders, it's Mrs. Trombley, and it is time to make our foldable study tool for your Chapter 4 test, which you'll take this week. So you should have printed out this page that's attached to your assignment, or maybe you already have a copy of it. And there's just one page this time. It was a very short chapter. So I want you to go ahead and fold it hot dog with the words facing out like that. And then open it back up, and you're gonna cut on the dashed lines. And again, if I go too fast, just pause. If I go too slow, you can always fast forward, which is definitely a nice feature of the video, huh? I'm sure you wish you could do that in class sometimes. Mrs. Trombley, you already told us that. Fast forward. I know. All right, and if you wanted to, you could have your chapter packet out, and probably looking at that shift would help you a lot in answering some of these questions, but it's going to be a short, sweet little assessment on these 11 questions. Okay, here we go. Pencil should be ready. So number 1 says, when did the age of explorations take place? And in class we discussed that it was the late 1400s, but mostly it took place in the 1500s. So open it up, write a number 1, and then you're going to write 1500s. That was a long, long time ago. All right, number 2 says, New World was a name given to the Americas by whom? So who gave that term, New World, to the Americas? That would be the European explorers. European explorers. Remember, there were already natives living there when they came over to the New World. Okay, number 3, a scientist who studies artifacts to learn about past cultures. If you thought archaeologist, you are correct. I had to be quiet while I was spelling that one. Archaeologist. They use artifacts to learn about past cultures. Okay, number 4, what is one reason Europeans wanted to explore? The main reason, as much as they loved adventure, the main reason was all about money. They wanted to build wealth. Remember, there was just this war. They were in a lot of debt. So number 4, the main reason they wanted to build wealth. They heard that there was gold and other things in the Americas, and they wanted that. Okay, number 5, this tool helped explorers navigate using the stars. We talked about 3 tools that help them to navigate, and the one that uses a star was the astrolabe. I don't think I put any of my numbers, did I? Oh no, I did. Okay. All right. Number 6, this tool helped explorers navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. Okay, the tool that had the magnet, that would be the compass. So open up 6. Mine didn't want to open. Compass. Okay, and what is the best tool used for navigation? Well, the best tool that you can use for navigation to get from place to place is a map. Okay, so the best tool would be maps. And remember that they didn't have maps until they created them. So they were creating maps as they went, so they could get to, when they went to a place, they could get back there. All right, number 8, name 3 foods that came from the Americas. The 3 foods that we discussed. Corn was the main one. Pineapple. And tomato. Oh, my marker's just about done. It's a good thing I have another one handy, but it is not blue. Purple. Okay. Number 9, what item symbolically claimed land for a country? That item would be a flag. Remember, whoever sponsored them to go on their exploration, they declared that land for that country. And number 10, what helped Christians spread their beliefs? A lot of them brought the Bible with them. And they were motivated by that. They wanted to spread Christianity. All right, and last but not least, give an example of a cash crop sold by Europeans. So this was basically something that they grew in large quantities, and they brought back with them to sell in Europe, because Europe their climate wasn't as good for growing it. That would be tobacco. All right, and now it is your job to make sure you know these 11 before our next assessment. Thanks for watching.